guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for watching. Today, I'm doing kind of like a driver's ed video and like getting ready and all that kind of stuff. So if you want to watch it and see some cool parts, keep watching. 7:08, as you can see. And today so far took a shower. I'm gonna probably put my hair in French braids because I'm driving today at driver's ed. It's like my third drive, and today is the second day in the second week that I've been doing driver's ed. And I'm so sorry for not being able to post any videos the last week because literally driver's ed has taken so much time on my studying, and so I thought I'd just kind of make a video of it. So I thought that'd be cool, and I have all my stuff almost ready, so I'm just gonna like show you guys. And I can't bring you guys into like the building, but I can like talk about it and stuff. To still have to do my like a little bit of makeup. I don't wear a lot, to be honest. So far I have my backpack, my Patagonia bag with like my driver's ed book. I have this book that has like all like the papers I need to sign in the test and all that stuff in there. Then I have another book. I don't know where it is. Oh, it's that one. And then my favorite little guy. Look how dope. I'm gonna put it somewhere right now. It's just there. But yes, my hair got dirty again. But here's my outfit today. Yeah, it's from American Eagle. I love American Eagle, to be honest, a little. So, and I don't have a mirror, so. Okay, let's zoom in. Hi! I already washed my face and stuff, so yay! Looks like I don't have a shirt on. Okay, there. I'm just going to take my bronze, my cream bronze. Like I said, I said, and literally, like, I've loved the first week. I had this really cool teacher, Barb. She was lit and everything, and she took us to McDonald's. Comment down below if you guys have any questions about driver's ed, because I'll gladly answer. The instructor that I had yesterday was like filling in. He was really nice. He just talked a lot and wasn't stop talking sometimes, so we didn't all work done. We just mostly based off talked about our homework the whole time, an hour, so we already did it, so it was really confusing. But like different teachers like to do different things, so that's fine. So far, if you're liking this vlog type really cool video about driver's ed, give it a big old thumbs up because it's dope, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to get to 100 subscribers. Smash the subscribe button and smash that like button. We are gonna do lit things in the future. That's my makeup look. So yeah, and it looks pretty weird outside, honestly. Okay guys, we are in the car. I'm ready.
Had bagel and Nutella for breakfast.
Oh yeah, I had
breakfast of champions.
I had Nutella for breakfast with a bagel. Now we're literally just driving, as you can tell. And we're almost to my driver's place. I get there and probably just go over homework like they do, and hopefully I don't spend like an hour on that because we didn't even have time yesterday to finish the rest of our stuff. Boom, shakalaka. I am back from driver's ed, and today we just went over like the highway rules and like oncoming traffic and like unprotected left turns and protected turns. And the guy was really cool because literally he was like from Ireland and his accent was so deep and so like there. So yep, I get my books if I can, and then tonight I'm driving on the highway like I said, and I am so excited, like so excited. So I'm trying to grab everything. Got it. Okay, we're stepping out into the world. To be honest, I am so excited for this angle. To be honest, I'm so excited to drive on the highway. You know, I'm excited to get my permit, my parent and stuff, and then you know, drive with my mom, my dad, and just go to Target. Okay peeps, I'm back. I'm just doing my homework and signing stuff in the book that I need to do. Just have to read one chapter today. I'll show you guys actually what like my syllabus homework official sheet looks like, because I'm that cool. Okay, so my syllabus, got that today. And the next day, see what I mean though? Like, right here, took me like 2.5 hours. Legit. Don't judge, just it. And then I'm eating Pirate's Booty, really good. And then, I'm also a chickmunk. Wait, let me see. 1:15 right now, and I mean 11:15, my bad. And right now, I'm using a photo for Instagram on Photoshop. Hey guys, I am back from my driving on the highway. I am so excited. I got literally like a really good score, and I was like really nervous, but like it was so much fun. You know, I'm saying like 100 times, guys. I don't know. It was a little nerve-wracking, I'll be honest. Sorry for the glare with my glasses. Struggle's real. So lit, bro. It's like awesome. I had a ton of fun. I was like merging. There's a couple people that were really like crazy drivers because it was also more of the busy part of the day on the highway. But it was a lot of fun. The instructor was nice on the road. Oh yeah, and it's 5:25. And here I'll show you guys what I got on it. I did parallel parking and I got a number 2 on it, and that's the highest score you can get is a 1. So I was really proud of myself for that because, you know, this is like my scores. I got like all 2s and 6 1s. It's really good compared. I only got 2 3s in the whole 3 times I've driven before. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and to see more lit videos like this. Yeah. And also, be sure to join the fam like I said. And if you join the fam this video, #joined the fam. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.